Okay, so perfect. Thanks so much for everything. So let me just quickly go over everything about opSwap with you guys. So can you guys like see my screen right now? Is it like on the
Okay, yeah,
screen
it's okay.
working? Okay,
Yeah,
perfect. So a quick self-introduction. So my name is Susie. I'm the co-founder of opSwap. I'm so happy and thrilled to be here with you guys. So opSwap is actually a revolutionary project that is poised to transform the DeFi landscape on the opBNB ecosystem. So I would like to welcome you guys to this journey of opSwap protocol, an AI-enhanced cross-chain DEX aggregator that is not just a platform, but a beacon of innovation in decentralized finance. So before we dive into what we are building, please let me share a little on what the landscape is now within the whole industry. So the DeFi universe, as you guys know, DeFi stands for decentralized finance, is rapidly expanding. And at its heart is the need for efficient cross-chain transaction. And we know that opBNB is now emerging and also like getting a lot more attention into this field. And it's known for its low gas fee and also robust user base. And also it's at a very early stage compared to other chains, other layer twos. So it actually stands as an ideal environment for DeFi growth. Yet, what's missing is a powerful aggregator that can truly harness these advantages. This is where opSwap comes in, perfectly positioned to meet its growth demand. And we can see from this graph, it's updated on 2023 September the 23rd, and it's already reaching 1.28 million. Um, and right now, like the data is actually from DeFi Llama. I think last time I checked is a few days ago. It's already 2 million, like reaching three, approximately three right now. So I see a lot of potential on opBNB for DeFi landscape. And as I mentioned, there's a demand in aggregator on opBNB, since the DeFi infrastructure is actually in rapid growth in the industry overall. And opBNB is well known for its low gas fee. Even with BNB chain, it's known for its low gas fee, right? And aggregators is actually in demand. It's the crucial thing, like in any DeFi landscapes. And also there's cross-chain transactions on opBNB, which is, I think, being the future. And this is a clear graph of what we want to build. There will be like more infographic coming up. But basically what we want to provide our users is called opSwap DID. So we will be tagging our trader users or even like the swapping robots and giving them tags. And then they can like use our web application, the application, or use our API or SDK. And we have our AI calculator, which gathers all the data from cross-chain, including opBNB and other layer one, layer two, and other CeFi, DeFi protocols. And we have our order book that gather data from GameFi and also other NFT projects, which provide our users with opSwap real-time provider, price data, market status, and also integration. So we need ID on opBNB by connecting their wallet addresses and get different levels of benefits by their trading volume. So at the same time, decentralized identification verification system will give them different tags by analyzing the transaction histories. And we will cooperate campaigns with other projects, so with our friendship projects, to bring precise and also high value users. As you guys can see from this graph, so we will have wallets on opBNB on like all the mainstream chains. So we will be a cross-chain aggregator. So traders, users come and also they get tagged for their credit system. And also we use ZKP to tag our users as well. And they can then interact with all the DeFi protocols, DEXs, and get airdrops, or even like get some lending and borrowing features, which is like the crucial thing in DeFi protocol. And this is our swapping process. So if one user want to transfer from token A to token B, normally like what they do is like this over here, like the little section. But with opSwap, what we will do is users have token A, where they will transfer to our token A account. And also like we have AI generated best deal for our user. So swap A, swap B to like all the batch swap. And then they will be transferred to like our token B account, then transfer to our users as token B. So we see like a potential because like there are like slippage or sandwich attacks like happening every day in the DeFi landscape right now, in the DeFi space or industry, what I call it. So basically what we want to achieve is B1 plus B2 better than this B1. So we want to provide our users with the best deal that they can get out of their swapping. So for example, if trader A has input 100 token A, so normally they will get, for example, like if it's 1 to 2% from token B to token A, then it's 100 token A to 50 token B. But right now, with different pools and also different swapping pools that we provide, so users can even get more out of the token that they're swapping in order to get the best deal and also like get the most out of their token. So we have our native token called OPS. We have our tokenomics and also offering our users and also our investors with the perks, including governance, cross-chain discount, fee deduction, and also farming, which is I personally analyze as the most important features for all the users so they can vote for new connected swaps or even markets or even the ecosystem or the blockchains that we are deploying on. And we have discounts so they can access our cross-chain token bank with a discounted price. People can get fee deduction, so blurry tongue. So reduce the split percentage for their transactions, and they can have early access to our farming features and also like get access to our token liquidity pools and also yield farming features. So I think, just adding on a little bit to that. So I think what sets opSwap apart is actually our seamless integration of DeFi and CeFi liquidity sources. And also like we offer an unparalleled trading efficiency. And also it's our commitment to security and also user experience, ensuring every transaction is not just fast, but also safe and also user-friendly. So this is the breakdown of our token. And we are now at the seed round and also our valuation is $50 million. And this is the detailed breakdown of like what's the, and also it's the pie chart of like how we will be using like our token. So our team, sorry that I delayed my self-introduction a little bit, but my name is Susie. So I'm the ex-PGM on BNB chain. So I have like a robust connection in the opBNB ecosystem. So I find a lot of potential with this new emerging ecosystem. And I'm the founder of Off-Chain Vancouver. I'm the researcher at some ERC 3525 lab, and also I'm the instructor in some of the projects. So I have been in this field for some time, and also I'm located in North America. So if you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me so that I can better assist you. And we have our CEO, who's called Walter. He has 13 years of experience in financial products, R&D design in US, and also Hong Kong listed financial companies. He used to be from Texas A&M University. He has the master's degree in economics, and also he has BD and also law related major experiences. And our CTO, who's also very well known, is called Hikari. So he's from Japan. He used to be early Ethereum contributor. He's now working in Sony Studio and also Sony PlayStation platform game localization department. So we have a lot of partners, and we are also like launching on some of the ecosystem, and also like we have great connections with them. This is the roadmap. Right now, we are at 2023 Q4, so we will be launching our official website. It's already launched. So if you guys go to opSwap.io, you guys will see like our main features and also like what we have right now. But right now, our application is not ready yet. It will be coming very soon, probably this month. So our DEX aggregator MVP will be on testnet, and also our opSwap node sale will also happen in this quarter. Basically, let me just quickly summarize what I've covered. Sorry, I'm a fast talker. So yeah, looking ahead, I think opSwap's roadmap is filled with milestones that promise to elevate the future of our platform. So from expanding our AI capabilities to integrating with more chains. So our journey has just begun, and I would like to invite you guys to join this journey with us. So in conclusion, opSwap isn't just a platform, it's a gateway to the future of DeFi. So we are on a mission of redefining how decentralized exchanges operate. And we invite you to join us on this exciting journey. So for more information, please visit our website, as I mentioned, opSwap.io. Or you guys can contact us through email, or like even I'm in the group chat. So contact me on Telegram or LinkedIn. So thank you so much for your time, and we look forward for potential collaborations or opportunities. And also like, I'm happy to answer any questions that you guys might have right now. Thank you.
Okay, hi Susie, thank you for your sharing. Have you
Thank
obtained?
you.
You're welcome. Have you obtained any grants from BIC Chain or Binance Labs?
Not really from Binance Labs. So like, if you guys know how they operate, so like Binance.com and Binance.us are different entities like to BNB chain. So although we do have, although they're sister companies, but they operate like very differently. So they are helping us to push for the MVP and also like the Binance Lab investment. But I cannot really say like it's 100% sure. And also they are very conservative on investment. But with BNB chain, what they will definitely support us is the ecosystem support. Right now they have like a lot of different bundles, but we will be choosing like the right ones for us, because for example, they have gas fee rebate program, which is not really that applicable on opBNB because their gas fee is already very low, so we do not really need that rebate. But yeah, they have already promised us a lot of like support, like marketing support, and also like some grants.
Okay, thank you. Do you know?
You.
You're welcome. Do you know how much TVL on opBNB today?
I can definitely quickly check DeFi Llama. Okay, one sec. Maybe I will also share my screen so that you guys can see it with me. Okay. Sorry, I'm just accessing everything. Okay. So as you guys can see, so the total volume locked in on opBNB is $2.11 million.
Yeah, it's relatively very small TVL compared to other layer 2 protocols. Do you what is your opinion on why this scenario will happen?
I think because it's only starting recently, so like it's like launched from September, from August, middle August to here. So I would say like 2-3 months to now, like less than a quarter. So but for other layer twos, for example, for Arbitrum, it's already like several quarters. So the time is very, very different. So instead of like seeing like how much they are now, we need to see like the potential growth. So for example, as I said, with the data from September, which is only like $1.18 million, right now it's fast growth to $2.11 million. And also I think the ecosystem matters a lot. So with opBNB, there's a need for low gas fee. Although BNB chain is already well known, as I mentioned, well known for low gas fee, opBNB is much more than that. It's like zero, like approximately zero gas fee. So I would say there's a mass adoption, and also, as I mentioned, they're a sister company of Binance, right? So CZ has been like putting a lot of emphasis on like pushing for like opBNB integrations, and also like helping now with the growth of BNB chain as well. So I would say with its backers and also like the daily active users on BNB chain and also on Binance, I would say opBNB still have a lot of potential in the future.
Yeah, actually, many people very take important status for the Arbitrum or the optimism. It's because they are the layer 2 protocols for Ethereum, and Ethereum have very low speed, transaction speed, and very high gas fee. But for the BSC chain, even for the layer 1, its gas fee is already very low. Do we really need a layer 2 protocol for BNB chain?
That's a very good question, Sullivan. I'm so sorry. I'm having a blurry tongue right now. But I have been asked that a lot as well. And also, you've got a very correct point. So Ethereum has this like urgent need for layer 2, but not as much for BSC or like BNB chain. But I do think maybe like people playing different projects are they varies like from their sensitivity to gas fee. So for example, I used to be working in a lot of GameFi projects. So like those users are very, very like cautious and also sensitive to the gas fee. So for example, like even the projects will choose to be launching on Polygon instead of like maybe Ethereum, which has like more stable or more loyal users. So I would say with the help of opBNB, it's actually helping to onboard more people from Web 2 to Web 3. I know like it has been talked a lot, but I think like one of the things that we need to tackle is definitely like account abstraction mentioned by Vitalik Buterin. But another one thing that I personally experienced when I first entered this industry is that the gas fee, like I have a total like I need to change my cognition in order to accept this thing like as a gas fee, right? So I think with the help of opBNB and also like other layer 2s, we have this possibility to like get mass adoption from Web 2 to 3.
Okay, thank you. What is your valuation for this round?
For this round is 50 million. 15? It's 15 million. 15. 15. I'm so sorry. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. I do not.
Thank you. So any other ones who have any questions, us through our email or even on Telegram, Discord, or even through my LinkedIn. Thank you so much, everyone.